Can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
I'm an 8-year-old KEEMI.
You love KEEMI. Alrighty, home sweet home. By the way, you guys are seeing me in my favorite home t-shirt. This is my favorite mom shirt. I wear this when I cook, when I feed Aiden, when I sleep. This is the most comfortable shirt that I own. Tong and I had breakfast this morning, so it's kind of a mess. I have to clean that up. I should really get in the habit of cleaning right away, but I'm just so lazy. So I just gotta clean that up, organize these stuff. Aiden's player area, I think it's okay. I've been trying to be a little more tidy with him, so not much to do there. I think the bedroom. So we co-sleep. It was just Aiden at first, and then I slowly moved in with him, and then Tom slowly moved in with us. So I am actually very happy about it because there are days where I just barely see him, right? Like I will only see him in the morning or in the car when I drop him off and when I pick him up. And the last thing I want to do is just kind of put him in a separate room, and I don't even get to be near him. So I am okay with it. Eventually he will have his own room and he wants his own space and his privacy and all that. But for now, Aiden's favorite book. So Aiden and I visited my sister I don't know, a few months ago, and we just went to a regular bookstore on the walk back from dinner to our car, and we found this book, and Aiden's been obsessed with it ever since. It's just like a little book with all the sea animals, and he loves it. This is literally his favorite book. It's called Fish Book. He calls this Fish Book. Tonight's dinner, I'm making a very fast hot pot. Just trying to cut down a little bit of carbs. Right now it's 3 o'clock, so I think this might be enough to last me. Just a little bit of salt. But I am going to dip it in the sauce. The GU sauce that you use for what is it called? The soba, like charu soba, whatever. That's a good idea. For the broth, I'm using dashi stock. You can make your own. There's so many different versions of it, but I'm using this little hondashi soup stock little pellets. This is like my holy grail. I cannot live without this. There are different versions, Korean products that you could use that's like anchovy kelp and other seafood stocks, but for me I think this is one of the, I don't know, I use this just a little bit more. A little bit of black pepper. Let's see. Wow, I think it might be ready. Let's flip this around a little bit. Oh yeah, I think the egg is done too. Meat. There we go. Wow, that's so well seasoned. Wasabi. There are different types of wasabi. So many different flavors, purpose, and try to get the one that's kind of meant for like the beef, not for sushi, because I think they tend to be a little more sweet. So filling. At the same time, it doesn't make you want to go, it doesn't make you sleepy. No more food coma. I feel very stuffed. Like I feel energized. I'm not overly like bloated for work. You got kiwi on your face. You want mama?
No.
No? Do you want pancake?
No.
You don't want pancake?
Don't want kiwi?
More kiwi?
Yeah.
Do you like kiwi?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll make you kiwi, okay?
Oh, thanks, Mommy. What kiwi girl doing? Whoa, a sticker! Mommy, I tapped that sticker.
You want the sticker? Okay. 나 키위 먹고 스티커 줄게.
엄마.
자, 가서 먹어. 고. Okay. You got it?
Oh,
Wow, you big boy. Aiden, you're so good.
you got it.
You got it, yeah. Wow.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
Aya.
Got it on there. What happened?
What happened with what?
Isaac and he know where?
My eyes are red?
우리 아빠 아니 왜요?
엄마 호와줘. Oh, thank you. It's all better.
Sorry.
This one too? Thank you. All better. Thank you so much.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. 키위 먹어? You're a natural. I said hi.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
I'm an eight-year-old baby.
You love kiwi. Wow. How old are you?
Number 2.
You're 2 years old. That's right. 아니 한국말로 해봐. 이름 뭐예요?
Where's animal is so funny?
Oh.
A bird?
Uh-huh.
Bunny?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's a bunny.
It's a bunny.
Hop.
뭐 토끼띠라는 거야? 아니 몇 살? 아니 몇 살이야?
I feel 3 bunnies.
Oh, you see 3 bunnies?
Bow. Now more tiger. Now more board tiger.
아니 몇 살이에요?
I beat boy tiger.
Okay.
Open. Open. Go.
Wow, can you do it faster? Can you do it high? The best $20 purchase.
Hey, Mama.
Oh,
What are you?
뭐예요? Mommy's filming you.
Yeah.
Okay. 이 뭐해? 아니야. 아니다.
Okay.
Is it yummy? It's hot, no? It's good. Well, good morning, everyone. Today is finally off day for all of our family. Tongsu's he's still sleeping. He usually sleeps like an hour more than all of us. So I'll probably wake him up soon. It's our off day. I want to make the most out of the hours, every second, every minute of this day. Wow, Aiden, what's that? Is that a shark? Aiden, is that a shark?
Dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. I know. What's his name? Brachiosaurus. Wow. Can you show me pterodactyl? Where's pterodactyl?
Here. In the sky.
Wow, that's pterodactyl? Okay, well, where's ankylosaurus? Can you find me ankylosaurus? Where are you, ankylosaurus? Ankylosaurus, ankylosaurus, where are you? Wow, hi, ankylosaurus. Wow, Aiden. What about pterodactyl? Pterodactyl's not part of the march?
What happened?
What happened?
Oh, it's so cute. Wow. Wow.
아이나 아빠 아이 하잖아 그럼.
Roar! Daddy, wake up! Daddy, wake up!
It's Christmas. Aiden, did you poo poo? Can you tell us, did you poo poo? Answer me. Did you poo poo?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna check if you did. You're a liar. Go get diaper.
Well, no, up.
Diaper 어디가? Diaper. Diaper. Aiden, diaper. Yes, that's right. It's called 고등어.
Shampoo. Find all the items. Towel.
Is this considered a video game?
Corn.
You have lots of dots.
No. Like feedbacks,
Garlic.
comments.
Where's it growing?
There's broccoli. Where's the oh, I see the broccoli.
Broccoli.
Do you like broccoli? You like broccoli?
Yeah.
You do?
Onion.
Yep.
Amen. You want a lemon?
Yeah.
Here you go.
No.
Try it. You say you want lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you finish the lemon? I cut it for you. Can you?
Right? Which one do you want?
What's this one?
Okay. You can't look.
Can't look.
What did you get? Ooh, it's a bed.
On
Now-
my turn?
Okay.
Okay.
엄마 turn.
On my turn. Okay.
엄마 don't look. Hey, 엄마 no look.
No look. Is this a monster?
No, it's bad.
It's a bed.
Okay. 엄마 first.
And then Aiden. Okay. Good job. Okay. 아빠 turn.
아빠 turn.
I just turn.
No.
엄마 turn.
아기 turn.
My turn.
Wow. Good job.
Ready?
Second.
Aiden. 엄마 turn.
엄마 turn.
엄마 turn. Child.
Yay!
Hey, 엄마 turn.
Hey, Appa turn.
The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding a lighter. My parents are both liars.
3, 2, 1.
아니가 해야지. 고 해야지.
Go! Go!
하나, 둘, 셋.
Go!
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not
Happy birthday, Christmas!
a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My name